Hello, amazing moms. Do you ever feel like you're running out of ideas to keep your little one entertained at home? Maybe you've tried a few activities, but they lose interest too quickly. Or worse, they turn the house upside down while you're just trying to catch a breath. I get it. Toddlers are full of energy and curiosity, and finding engaging easy to set up activities can sometimes feel overwhelming, but don't you worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing simple, fun, and educational activities that will not only keep your toddler entertained, but also help with their development by boosting creativity, motor skills, and learning, all while creating beautiful bonding moments with you. So, stick around till the end because I have saved the best activity for last. One that toddlers absolutely love and keep them engaged for longer. Let's begin. Sensory play. Toddlers learn through their senses, so sensory play is a fantastic way to help them discover textures, colors, and shapes while improving their fine motor skills and encouraging exploration. So, number one, DIY sensory bins. You can use shallow plastic containers and fill it with rice or pasta or beans or sand. Hide small toys inside and let your toddler dig or scoop and explore as they remove the toys. Number two, water play. Fill a large bowl with water, add sponges, cups, and spoons, and let your toddler practice pouring and squeezing. You can also add a few drops of food coloring to make it more exciting and colorful. Number three, homemade play dough. Mix flour, salt, and water, and a bit of oil to create safe, non toxic play dough. And let your toddler roll, press, and shape as it boosts creativity. Art and craft activities. Creative activities encourage self expression and improve hand eye coordination, boosting creativity. Number one, finger painting. Use child safe, washable paints on a large sheet of paper or even in the bathtub for easy cleanup and let them explore different colors and patterns. This will keep them engaged. Number two, sticker play. Give them stickers on a piece of paper to create their own artwork. This enhances fine motor skills and concentration while keeping them busy. Number three, nurture collage. Collect leaves, flowers, and twigs from your garden or a walk. Then glue them onto paper to make a beautiful nature work. Activity 3, simple learning games to encourage cognitive growth. Play can also be educational. So you can start with shape sorting. Use household items like bottle caps, bottoms, or cut out cardboard shape and have your toddler match them to their corresponding outline. 2. Color sorting. Fill a muffin tin with different colored pom-poms and let your child sort them into the right section. Number 3. Alphabet and number fun. Use large letter or number flashcards and play a fun game where they match the letters to objects around the house. This will keep them busy. Now let's look at indoor physical activities which will not only keep them busy but also keep them active. Toddlers have a lot of energy and physical activities help in their motor skills development. So number one, you can try obstacle course. Set up a simple obstacle course using pillows, chairs, and blankets for them to crawl under, jump over, or walk around. Number two, dance play. Play their favorite song and dance together. It's fun and it's a great exercise, keeping both of you engaged. Number 3, balancing games. Use tape to create a line on the floor and have them walk along it to improve balance and coordination. Activity number 5, pretend play to improve the development of imagination and social skills. Remember, imaginative play helps toddlers understand the world around them. So, you can try number 1, little chef. Give them a plastic balls, spoons, and pretend food so they can cook just like they see mommy do. Number 2, doctor play. Use a toy doctor kit to check their stuffed animal for boo-boos and teach them about kindness and empathy. Number 3, dress up fun. Let them wear oversized clothes, scarves, or hats and pretend to be different characters as you play around the house. Number 6, reading time. This will help to build a love for books. Reading, remember, it's a beautiful bonding activity that enhances language skills. Number 1, create story time. Choose colorful board books with simple stories. Read with different voice tones to make them engaging. Number 2, interactive books. Use books with flaps, textures, or sounds to keep your toddler interested. And number 3, picture work. Instead of reading, let your toddler describe what they see in the pictures. Encouraging them to use their own word will not only develop their communication skill, but also it's so bonding and educational. Number 7, quiet and calming activities to encourage and improve focus. Sometimes we need calm moments, and these activities help with relaxation. So, number 1, puzzles. Simple wooden, all foam puzzles are great for problem solving. Lesson cards. Punch holes in cardboard shapes and give your toddler a shoelace to thread through them. Number 3, sensory bottles. Fill a clear plastic bottle with water, glitter, beads, and small object to create a calming visual effect. Engaging your toddler at home doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simple activities like sensory play, arts and craft, and pretend games provide meaningful learning experiences while strengthening your bond. Remember, Mama, you're doing an amazing job. Every moment you spend playing, laughing, and learning together is shaping your little one's world in the most beautiful way. So if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, to share it with another mama you know, and subscribe for more comforting and practical motherhood tips. See you in the next video and happy playing with your little one. Bye bye.